Finding the best 3-in-1 sandwich maker can feel tricky with so many options out there, especially if you just want quick, hot meals at home. I've tested a few that fit busy mornings and simple kitchen setups, and I've learned what actually holds up in daily use. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence, and all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Grill. This Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Grill feels like a simple, everyday kitchen essential for quick meals. It comes with ceramic-coated plates that help food release easily and make cleanup much faster after cooking. I like using it for sandwiches and waffles, and it heats up quickly for small daily meals. The fast 760-watt heating gives consistent warmth, which helps me get crispy toast and soft inside textures. It is very easy to use with clear indicator lights, so I always know when it is ready. The compact design fits nicely in small kitchens and does not take much counter space. One small drawback is that the plates are not very large, so cooking for groups takes time. Still, it performs well for solo use or light family breakfasts. Cleaning is quick since the ceramic surface prevents heavy sticking. Overall, it is a budget-friendly and reliable choice for simple home cooking needs. Number 4. Ostba 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Compact Grill. This Ostba 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Compact Grill feels like a simple and useful tool for quick home meals. It comes with removable plate set that lets me switch easily between waffles, sandwiches, and grilling without any mess. I often use it for grilled cheese and breakfast snacks, and it cooks fairly evenly for daily use. The fast 750-watt heating helps it warm up quickly, which is great during busy mornings. Cleaning is easy because the non-stick surface lets food slide off without sticking too much. It is compact, so it fits well in small kitchens or tight counter spaces. The build feels lightweight, so it is easy to move or store after use. One downside is that it can feel a bit small if you want to cook larger portions at once. Still, it works well for simple meals and quick bites. Overall, it is a budget-friendly and practical option for everyday cooking needs. Number 3. Black & Decker Waffle Iron Morning Station 3-in-1. This Black & Decker Waffle Iron Morning Station 3-in-1 feels like a compact breakfast helper in my kitchen routine. It has removable plates that let me switch between waffles, sandwiches, and grilling with ease. I use it often for waffles and grilled cheese, and it heats fairly evenly for daily cooking. The fast 700-watt heating system helps it warm quickly during busy mornings at home use. Cleaning is simple because the non-stick plates wipe down easily after cooking. The compact size is great for small kitchens or dorm rooms where space is limited. It is not the largest capacity, so you may need to cook in batches for families. Overall, it feels practical, affordable, and easy for everyday breakfast cooking. It also gives consistent browning on waffles when preheated properly. I like the simple indicator light system for easy cooking control. It fits well on any counter. Number 2. Reemix 3-in-1 Waffle Grill Sandwich Maker. This Reemix 3-in-1 Waffle Grill Sandwich Maker feels like a handy kitchen tool for quick meals at home. It has removable plates that let me switch between waffles, sandwiches, and grilling with effort, and they snap out easily for cleaning. I use it for grilled cheese and burgers, and it heats up fairly fast in daily use, making breakfast and snacks much easier. The fast-heating 750-watt system helps it warm up quickly, which is great on busy mornings. Cleaning is easy thanks to the non-stick surface and removable parts that save time after cooking, even when cheese melts heavily. The cooking surface is a bit small if you want to prepare food for more people, so you may need to cook in batches. Overall, it is a simple and budget-friendly option for everyday home cooking needs, especially for students or small families. It feels like a reliable little helper for quick daily cooking routines. Number 1. Ovente 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Grill. This Ovente 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Grill feels like a small kitchen helper in my daily routine. It comes with detachable plates that I can swap easily for sandwiches, waffles, or grilling. It heats quickly with fast-heating 750 watt, which makes busy mornings much easier for me. I often use it for grilled cheese and snacks, and it performs reliably every time. The plates are a bit small, so cooking for many people takes extra rounds. Still, it is compact, easy to clean, and perfect for small kitchens or dorm use. We also like the compact design because it fits perfectly in small spaces and is easy to store. Cleaning is simple, since the non-stick surface wipes clean in seconds after use. The indicator lights help me know when it's ready to cook without guessing. Overall, it is a budget-friendly choice for quick meals and simple home cooking needs. Final verdict. After comparing all these 3-in-1 sandwich makers, I personally recommend the Ovente 3-in-1 Sandwich Maker Grill as the best overall pick. It feels reliable, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cooking. The removable plates and quick heating make it super practical for sandwiches, waffles, and grilled snacks without any hassle. For a more budget-friendly option, I recommend the Reemix 3-in-1 Waffle Grill Sandwich Maker. It delivers solid performance with simple controls and decent build quality, making it a great choice for students or light home use. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and needs best.